The NOTAM briefing feature helps to present only relevant NOTAMs for your flight. In the case of an active route, the Route Planner menu's NOTAM briefing will present all the NOTAMs 10 nautical miles left and right of the planned route in one convenient NOTAM briefing. All the non-hidden NOTAMs that fall within this radius are presented in the NOTAM briefing. In the Route Planning and Route Tools menu, the NOTAM briefing path width can be changed. Consider the example airfield Lima Kilo, Lima Bravo, which NOTAMs are not yet included in the NOTAM briefing with a briefing path width of 10 nautical miles, but are included when the briefing path width is set to 20 nautical miles. The settings from the Map Layers and NOTAMs menu are respected in the Route Planning NOTAM briefing as well. Hide NOTAMs based on radius, effective altitude, or any other NOTAM of choice. Choosing to hide certain NOTAMs in the Map Layers and NOTAMs menu will prevent them from being presented on the moving map and in the Route Planning NOTAM briefing.